A planet where it literally rains glass. A spoon that weighs as much as a mountain. And a star that could rip the iron right out of your blood. If you thought Australia was dangerous, just wait until you see this. Hey thrill seekers! Today we're taking a stroll through the most cursed places in the universe. From planets where your face would melt in a second, to stars that can wipe your bank accounts from the other side of the galaxy. And yes, this is all real. Reality itself isn't sure it wants to exist here. Let's start with our tourist, Oumuamua. Spotted in October 2017, first confirmed object to visit us from outside our solar system. Literally an alien rock. It was on a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning flew in, looked around, left. Shape-wise, it was either cigar-like or pancake-like. Yes, sometimes the scientific method sounds like a cafeteria menu. Would you like the cigar or the pancake? But the real problem was, it accelerated. Comets usually speed up when gas boils off them. Except Oumuamua didn't have a tail. No obvious plume. It just kept going like it had places to be and absolutely refused to explain itself. Scientists pitched some truly unhinged ideas. Everything from an alien light sail to a chunk of nitrogen ice. And yeah, the most boring and most likely explanation is that it was a broken-off piece of an icy planet venting invisible nitrogen. But I like the aliens one more. It's like duct tape for the brain. Explains nothing, but it sticks so well. And that was just the tutorial level. A ghost rock showed up, did a little spin, and dipped. Now imagine bigger things. Things that don't dip and can slam into your life with their full mass. Next up, homeless planets. Yep, rogue planets are real. Huge worlds that don't orbit a star. They just drift through total darkness, like your ex after you said, "We need to talk." Example, PSOJ 318.5-22. Found in 2013. Mass about 6 Jupiters. So not a cute little marble, more like a gigantic gas behemoth flying into nowhere. The creepiest part? There could be billions of them. They don't shine much, so we don't see them. They're like cosmic cockroaches the size of Jupiter. One could pass near the solar system, and we'd only find out when gravity starts bowling our planets around like pins. Sweet dreams. But if the dark is cold and terrifying, let's turn on the lights. Meet Kelt-9b, a planet so close to its star that a year there lasts about a day and a half in Earth time. Surface temperature around 4,300 degrees Celsius. Hotter than many stars. It's so hot that molecules basically can't exist. On the day side, hydrogen molecules get ripped into atoms. On the night side, they recombine, just to get torn apart again. It's a planet-sized hell. If you teleported there, you wouldn't burn, you'd evaporate at the atomic level before your brain even realized you moved. The perfect vacation spot. Don't hate yourself. Now we bring out the heavy artillery, neutron stars. This is what happens when a massive star dies and gets crushed down to the size of a city, while keeping roughly the mass of the sun. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs about 6 billion tons. Drop that spoon on Earth, and it would punch through the planet like a hot knife through butter. But there's something worse. A magnetar. A neutron star with a magnetic field so violent, it feels like reality is tearing at the seams. If a magnetar were as close as the moon, it wouldn't just demagnetize your credit cards. It would pull the iron out of your blood. It would basically unmake you at the atomic level with magnetism. And sometimes they sneeze. In 2004, a magnetar on the other side of the galaxy released a flare. In 0.2 seconds, it dumped as much energy as the sun produces in 250,000 years. That burst hit Earth's upper atmosphere and messed with satellites and communications. A star sneezed from approximately 50,000 light-years away, and our Wi-Fi acted up. The universe isn't trying to kill you. It just doesn't notice you exist. And somehow, that's even more insulting. And of course, the finale. Black holes. In the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A star, a monster with a mass of about 4 million suns. It looks like a blurry donut, but it operates like an apocalypse vacuum cleaner. If you're lucky enough to fall in feet first, you unlock a special bonus. Spaghettification. Gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head, stretching your body into a long, meaty noodle. Long before you're actually dead. And yes, that's basically the official scientific term. Almost. So, today we learned the universe has spy rocks, invisible killer planets, and stars that can turn you into soup with a dirty look. Moral of the story? There is no moral. There's just space doing whatever it wants, and us making videos about it, hoping a like button will protect us from a gamma ray burst. It won't. But it's worth a shot. Pop quiz. Where would you send your worst enemy? Onto the hell planet Kelt-9b? Or straight into a black hole for premium spaghettification? Drop your answer in the comments. I won't tell the cops. And subscribe to Truvo. We find the weird stuff so you don't have to. Later.